Hello everyone, my name's Alex Radu and welcome to Unboxing for Business. We've got a special treat for you guys today as we have a 3D printer in the house and it's called the Overlord Pro. It's actually a desktop 3D printer and it comes out of China from a startup company named DreamMaker. So we're here to unbox it for you, show you guys what's inside. So let's not waste any time, let's get started. All right, so we got it right here. And first thing you'll see is this thing's gorgeous. Like, it's just an absolute beauty of a machine. So let's just take this plastic off right here. And while I'm doing that, let me just tell you guys a little bit about the company and how this was created. So this 3D printer was kickstarted at the end of 2014, early 2015 by DreamMaker, and the original goal was just about 10,000 euros or $14,000 Canadian. And needless to say, 3D printing is super popular, so it had no problem meeting that goal. And it ultimately finished at about $350,000 pledged. So printer's been out for about a year now, but at the end of February, beginning of February, they're going to be putting a new edition, the Overlord Pro Plus. So be sure to, keep an eye out for that one as well. Yeah, might as well take all this plastic off right here. All right, and if you want to take a look at that logo right there, it is a very futuristic piece. This looks like you would see a 3D printer in a movie or a TV show or something like that. So the aesthetic is really nice. And all right, more plastic on the back here, but that's fine for right now. So right here you'll see the X, Y, Z axis. And right here, this is the nozzle right here. And everything, you're gonna print right over here. It also comes with two boxes. So let's take a look at what's inside here. Have an instruction manual, power cords, all right, which are pretty important. All right, more cords, a scalpel, a screwdriver, some more pieces. I actually don't know what these are yet, but we will find that out. All right, and then we also have the SD card here. And I'm told that the SD card is extremely important. This is how you transfer the 3D images onto the 3D printer. And let's see if we can show you guys where the slot is. So the slot's gonna be just right down here. And so granted, this is just a 1 gig SD card. On the SD card, you have the instruction manual as well, which is on top of this one right here, which is just a few simple steps. So this is super important, but once you kind of know how to use the printer, if you don't really need the instruction manual and you do lose this, you could just use any other SD card. All right, let's take a look at the other one. All right, so right here it just looks like we have the filament. So we just got orange here, it looks like, so I guess that means I'll be making Finding Nemo, of course. And you know what, let's open this one up. Okay. All right. So you have the spool of the filament right here, and that's gonna go on the top. And here we have it's by DreamMaker, a caution label. This thing will get really hot. All right, so it's gonna go in at the top here. You can take the lid off. Don't really know why the tape is here. So, okay. Some of these things. All right, so I'm gonna tilt this over for you guys. So you're just gonna put the spool right in there when you're gonna go use it. All right, and then I imagine if I were to just put that right here, yep, that's pretty much it. That's how it fits in. All right. So I'll just put the lid back in on top for now. And label right there. All right, everyone. Well, this is the DreamMaker OverLord Pro. It is a desktop 3D printer. You could get it for about $1,400 on shops like robotshop.com. And, you know, it's a very, just based off of first impressions, it looks really good. $1,400 isn't anything to laugh at, but if you're looking, this fits right on top of my desk or any cubicle or in any office. So it's definitely something to think about if you don't want to invest in this giant 3D printer. And it comes with everything you would possibly need to use it. Well, that's it for our unboxing of the DreamMaker OverLord Pro desktop 3D printer. Stay tuned for all hands on tech review in the coming weeks. And as always, please like and subscribe below. And let us know what you would 3D print in the comments. My name's Alex Radu, and thanks for watching Unboxing for Business.